Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the blur effect on any of your photos within Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the plus button which you can tap on in order to open up any picture. Just tap on this and open up the photo that you would like to edit. Once you open it up, you will be taken into the edit menu. Now if you wish to add a blur effect onto this photo, just tap on the tools option and then you will see the lens blur button. Go ahead and tap on it and this will now open up the blur brush. You can choose the strength of your blur from the top section by swiping the slider to the left or right. When you swipe it to the right, the strength of the blur will be increased. You can tap on the brush type at the bottom section and choose what kind of brush you would like to select. Now when you swipe down from the top, you will see the various different parameters within the blur that you can change. You can change the transition, the blur strength, as well as the vignette strength. Now if you wish to decrease the clear area, then you can simply pinch and zoom in, and this will now decrease the area of the unblurred location. You can swipe down and then change the transition settings in order to redefine the intensity as well as the location of the blur. After you change your blur settings, and once your desired effect is achieved, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to apply your settings. And now you can simply export your image from the export menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add the blur effect within your image on the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.